Hello everyone, and welcome to FOREX. Today we'll be talking about the smart money concept trading pattern. Actually, in abbreviation we'll call it the SMC pattern. Smart money concept trading is a methodology of trading that tends to identify the activities and actions of big firms, institutions that move the market. Okay, their blueprint, their framework, their footworks is being identified in the market using the SMC pattern and being used to make an informed trading decision. And under this SMC trading patterns, we'll have a few topics under it. And under it, we'll have the market structure. Okay, we'll have liquidity. Okay, we'll have order flow, and then entry models. These subtopics together makes up the SMC trading pattern. But meanwhile, for today, we'll be talking about the market structure. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe and click the notification button so you can get our updates each time we upload a video. Okay, so for today we'll be wiping off this thing and focusing on market structure. Okay, market structure simply is identifying the trend in the market by time, from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, as a way to make an informed decision in the market. So for today, let's assume that the trend is bullish, making higher highs. For instance, let's say this is a 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, okay? Making higher highs, okay? Making higher highs. Now, in this concept, there are common words in identifying a market, in making a mark, or identifying a market structure. And those common parameters are a break of structure. Now, this is a market, break of structure, and change of character. In abbreviation, we call it BOS or CHOC, break of structure, change of character. So now, when a market is making a bullish momentum in this manner, we can call this point a break of structure. Okay, this is a break of structure. It makes another high. This is another break of structure. Okay, and let's assume it gets to this point, makes this. This is the point where you call a change of character, CHOC. Now, what does this tell you? When a market makes a break of structure, it is trying to tell you that the buyers that push the market at this point, they're able to take out the sellers that were waiting to sell from this point. And consequently, this becomes, we call it a strong low. This is a strong low. Let's have a strong low. Now, why is it a strong low? It's a strong low because the activities of these buyers were able to take out the activities of these sellers, because definitely this is a resistance. This is a resistance point, Okay, sellers must have tried to take it down, but they couldn't, and they were pushed off, making another break of structure. Again, this is another strong low, another strong low. Now remember, I told us now that this place, assuming we broke structure, normally we were supposed to come here, make another high here, but instead of doing that, we broke down. Okay, came like this, then made another low. What does this tell you? This place becomes this place becomes a strong high. Why is it so? It is a strong high because we are able to break these buyers that were trying to take it up. They were taking out. So once price returns here, we expect the buyers to keep selling down to this strong low again. So when it gets to this point, we expect buyer activity, because this was a strong low. Remember, this whole structure, this is an impulsive move. The origin of the impulsive move started from this point. Okay, so once the price returns to this point, you expect the price to go back up again. So now this is an overview of a higher time frame. Now I'm going to clean this now to make it clearer. Now remember, I told us, let's assume we are in 4 hours time frame or daily high time frame, making higher highs. Okay, Now remember, you begin to see something like this. For instance, you begin to see something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, down to this point, and you begin to see something like this again, something like this again, something like this again. Okay? Now, this is a break of structure. This is another break of structure. All these things here, everything here is the internal structure. So meanwhile, you can look at this market, you will see that the external structure, which is the bigger time from the 4 hours, this whole thing here, from this origin, is the 4 hours candle, okay, or 4 hours time frame. Inside here can be the 1 hour or 15 minutes. Okay. Now, once we are making this low, now, even in the internal structure, overall structure is bullish, internal structure is bearish. When an internal structure is bearish, the internal structure is obviously going to target the base of the higher structure. Once it gets there, it is likely to reverse from that point and start going to the upside again. So when you come here, you can see even here we are making lower lows. So at this point, you can see this break. You can see we did this, we broke down. We call this point your chalk. Why do you call it a chalk? A chalk, we call it a change of character because initially this was going up. It came down. It was supposed to keep going up, but internally we had a break. So you call it a change of characters, signifying that the character of the market has changed. But this is the internal structure, not the external structure. So when you can take this, you have to trade within this range. If you keep wanting to short this market down, you might be making a mistake because we have gotten to the base of the higher structure. So there is a reversal is imminent at this point. So we call this break of structure, break of structure. So in the internal structure, this region, we call it a strong high, another strong high, another strong high. So each time price comes down to test that high, it breaks down. Each time it comes to test that high, it breaks down until it gets to the base of the higher structure. So I'll clean this again for a clearer understanding now. Now this is what I'm saying. Let me explain what I said. This is, let's assume this is 15 minutes candle, okay? And the price is making higher high. Now this one I marked that is the internal structure within the 4 hours, 15 minutes candle. And suddenly you get this break. The first break is a chalk. You get this break. It has changed character. So if price returns to this point, now, because this place broke down, this is a strong high. And this region is a weak low. Okay? So price comes down. As high is coming here, it's likely to keep going down. Now, let's assume this is the base of the 4 hours. This is the base of the 4 hours. Once price gets here, gets to this point. Once price gets to this point, the 4 hours, it does like this. You see, it gives another break of structure here, showing you that this is a strong low. So we expect that as the price traces comes down like this, it's bound to keep going up again. The reason being that the overall structure of the market was bullish. So this is why we always hear sellers tell that the trend is your friend. Traders rather always tell you that the trend is your friend. You must look at the higher time frame. You follow it to know when the corrective move has been exhausted. It will help you to know the points you are in the market at any point in time. Okay, so this is what it is about the market structure. As we go on, we will still make more videos to make the market structure explanation clearer. Thank you. Meanwhile, if you're not subscribed to the channel, as a way to support what we are doing, please click the notification button, subscribe, and see you in our next video. Thank you.